This is Dilu's online tuition, the second part of identities, algebraic expressions and identities. And today we are going to learn addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Addition is usually, as usual, how we used to do or how we used to add one after the other. Here also, because it is in algebraic form, we have to write it one above the other with like terms. I'll show you how to do this. For example, we can take one question, that is 7x square x square minus 4x plus 5 and that means and we are adding, that is equal to plus 9x minus 10. So we are writing that under the same variable 9x minus 10. Now we can add. We know on adding, if the plus here from the ones place we are going to add, we know 5 plus 5 minus 10. We have to add. What we have to do? First of all, we have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number and put the sign of the greater number. So 10 plus minus 10 plus 5 will give minus 5, that is 10 minus 5. Then minus 4x. Here it is the sign is not given, so it is understood that it is plus 9. So minus 4x plus 9x will give, first of all we have to find the difference between 9 minus 4, that is 5, and we can write as 5x plus, as there is no variable down for 7x square, we can take it down as it is. So the answer for this question is 7x square plus 5x minus 5. Hope you would have understood how to add the variables, algebraic expressions. Okay. Second, we'll see how to subtract an expression, that is subtract 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3 from 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Minus, we are doing subtraction, minus 5x square. So we have to write down where the variables are equal, that is 5x square minus 4y square. No, so we have to write it under plus 8y square, that is minus 4y square, then plus 6y, where it is given 6y means here under the 3y we can write minus 6y Here we can write minus 6y. Then minus 3. After 6y you have to write minus 3. Now let us subtract. Okay. So in subtraction, what we are doing is we are taking it is same as addition of its additive inverse. That is, subtracting minus 3 is the same as adding plus 3. Similarly, subtracting 6y is same as adding minus 6y, and subtracting minus 4y square is the same as adding 4y square, and so on. The signs in the third row written below each term in the second row help us in knowing which operation has to be performed. So, we can write it as minus 3 will become plus 3, plus 3, plus here it comes plus 3, after it comes minus 9y. The 6 minus 6y minus 3y, that is minus 9y minus 9y minus 9y. Then here comes plus minus 9y. Then we get 5x. We are taking down as it is because there is no terms down. So it is minus 5x plus 12y square. Pencil is going here and there and I'm not able to write properly. 5x plus 12y square. 12y square plus minus 4xy, as there is no variable down, no number belonging to the variable xy, so it is taken down as it is. Then plus 7x square minus 5 square we get. That is 2x square So the answer for this is 2x square minus 4xy plus 12y square plus 5x minus 9y plus 3. In this way we can add and subtract. And again, for multiplication we can do, I'll show you easy method of multiplication. If it is given, if the question is 5x into 4x square, how can we multiply? Simply we can write, first of all, if we don't know, if you are thinking how it can be multiplied, then we can take it like this. First we can multiply 5 into 4. We can write it as 5 4s are 20. Then what can we do? Then x into x square. X square into x will give x cube. So the answer is 20x cube. It's quite simple multiplication also. So hope you have understood the second part of this lesson, and I'll come back with the third part of algebraic expressions and identities. Thank you. Hope you all have understood these portions, and I'll be giving you the next portions also. Thank you from Dot Dilu's online tuition.